But why?
I don't know. I bet he's got a warehouse full of them. Maybe we should take a peek.
You ain't too smart, mister.
Maybe not. But I'm a real expert at telling other people what to do. Now, here are your orders. You're going to take us to the warehouse, and then you're going to get out of the Uncle Buckle-Up business. Now, let's go.
How many Buckle-Up dolls did you sell last year?
About 100,000.
Really, that's interesting. According to this audit, this year Preston's imported nearly 200,000 dolls. Have the ratings of the show been going up?
No, as a matter of fact, the show's been slipping this last season.
Well, why would he import twice as many dolls as he could possibly sell?
I don't know.
Well, we'll just have to ask Preston, won't we? Yeah, you better go back to the office and set up the press conference.
Okay. A couple of calls should do that.
Great. Meet me down on the stage. We'll wait for Preston there. Yeah.
We're just about set. I just have to call him back in 5 minutes to confirm.
Ah, terrific. We can wrap this whole thing up before tomorrow's show.
You know, I really do appreciate everything that you're doing for Sydney.
Ah, well, what would the world be without Uncle Buckle-Up?
You mean you're a fan, too?
Me? Oh, the biggest. I've been watching this show for years. Yeah, well, all the way back to when Rob Parker played Ruff.
What happened to the truthful turtle here?
Who?
The truthful turtle. He sits right here in front of the log. People keep stepping on him.
I don't know.
You know, the truthful turtle can always tell when a chipperoo is exaggerating.
You're right. I don't really watch the show.
I'd be a little concerned about you if you did.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You know, you don't have to, play the good manners mole to make friends with me. I had better go, call the agency back.
Okay, Hot Rod, the party's over.
Sydney's no longer your shill, so you can forget it.
Is that right, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what he's got to say when we got his daughter hanging out the window.
Uncle Buckle-Up's daughter?
Hold it.
That's it. That's the junk.
Yeah, this is like a new model. I don't have one of these yet. Colonel, I think you better take a look at this stuff.
Heroin.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
We got the girl, Nick.
Hi, guys.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Dad?
Give us your guns unless you want the girl hurt.
All right, over there.
After you. No, not you. You got no business. You keep them here while I dicker with the chipmunk.
Right, Nick.
You were messing around with Uncle Buckle Up's daughter?
You animal.
All right, let's think about getting out of here. Now go through everything until you find something we can use.
From now on, you're gonna play ball in my court. Well, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cancel that press conference of yours.
Forget it.
I'm not fooling around with you, Sidney. I've got your daughter and I've got your friends. And if you don't play ball with me, I'm gonna feed them to the dogs. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to endorse my dolls from Asia. What's so funny, Sidney?
You can't hurt me. You can't hurt my people. Without me.